Hi, I'm Tim Guile, owner-operator of Autosport Auto Repair here in Longmont. We have been serving the Longmont community since 1971. We have over 40 years experience diagnosing all makes and models, old and new. We are your premier auto repair facility for Volkswagen, Audi, BMW, and Mercedes. We take a lot of pride in getting to the root cause of the problem and make sure our customer knows exactly what's going on with the vehicle. We have a modern shop with the latest equipment and a full inventory of parts to complete any repair right the first time.
They always take their time and really explain to me what's going on with my vehicle, so I leave here with a really good understanding of what needs to be done and a good time frame and the price and everything like that. So I will never go to another shop. This is the only place for me. It really is the best auto shop I have ever been to.
At Autosport, we know how stressful it can be needing your vehicle repaired, and we're here to help you get back on the road as quickly and safely as possible.